Now we are recording. Okay, cool. We'll be playing Ratchet and Clank All for One. It's been a nightmare to get this going. I am. This will also be streaming with my Twitch, so for those of you who want to watch it later on YouTube. Long story short, sound wasn't working this whole time, and when I finally got going, I just realized the recording mode wasn't working. It didn't go on, so we're gonna do this now. From the top, we'll go through this scene one last time, and then we're gonna come actually play this game. The amateur, still learning as
In conclusion, I humbly accept this award for subduing the insidious light-eating Zagroot against near impossible odds. How's that sound?
Quark, doesn't accepting an award for something you didn't do make you feel the slightest bit deceitful?
That depends. Does deceitful mean impressive? Heroic? Awe-inspiring? Fine, I don't care what it means. We're talking about a light-eating Zagroot here. You know what this will do for my approval rating?
I never even heard of an Intergalactic Tool of Justice Award. Who did you say invited you?
I don't know. The guy was all cloak and dagger on the phone, but I'm sure the whole thing's on the up and up. Look at him, peacefully slumbering in the warm embrace of cryo-sleep.
I don't know about this. Maybe we should call Kronk and Zephyr.
Oh, Ratchet, so young, so unused to the spoils of do-goodery. Don't worry, when you're a hero, you'll understand. House lights?
Well, hello, Mr. President! So kind of you to accept my invitation.
Dr. Nefarious. I was wondering when you'd be showing up. Is that your new space station? Looks a little smaller than the last one.
Oh, you're hysterical. Let's see you crack jokes from inside the digestive tract of a Zagroot!
Oh, goody. I get to reanimate something.
Help me, Lawrence!
Apologies, sir. I think it's time to tender my resignation.
Still need to get a better camera for this setup. I apologize for that. It renders awfully.
We must stop the Zagroot before he destroys the city.
Pretty good, Cadet.
My robotic friends, we do not wish to fight you. Unhand the amphibian right this instant.
I'm Kip Darling.
And I'm Pepper Fairbanks.
And we're coming to you live from Luminopolis, where Dr. Nefarious has just released a light-eating Zagroot upon the city.
The latest attack from the diabolical doctor couldn't have come at a worse time. Currently, the entire Polaris Defense Force is off on a field trip to the single and hating it speed dating convention in Meridian City.
Well, let's hope they find love, Pepper. And now, back to the maulings.
Cadet.
Appreciate me.
gravity of this creature knows no bounds, folks. He just destroyed Rusty Pete's Healthy Hamburger Shack. Its vegan wheatgrass and tree bark burger was a favorite of hipsters everywhere.
I'm gonna ask this. If you have friends or family who have TikTok, I'll leave my TikTok in my bio. You guys can go follow that and follow me. I'm only asking because I would like to get 1,000 followers. It's also to my YouTube people as well. If you want to watch later. Also, if you want to Superman 005. I'm asking because I would love to stream on TikTok and make our fan base a little bit bigger. To do that, I do need 1,000 followers. I don't have that yet, so I do all the value up on everything. Try to keep it pretty clean on the stream. I'm really playing for the least sorry. It's been a long day. But there, I can think not a bad idea. So I've already played the first game, but for those who love Assassin's Creed, I'm planning to stream one of those kind of games as well. But yeah, so if you guys can do that, it'd be awesome. But that's my YouTube followers, my Twitch followers. I will love your support on how you guys do it. What would you? I don't know what to call this. Okay.
I detect trouble ahead.
It appears the Zagroot has just ravaged one of the city's luminoid conduits.
Is it awesome in here, or is it just me? Everyone follow me! Adventure awaits!
Oh, you now.
Deploying offensive tactics.
I jumped. Oh, I did. Are you kidding me? That was my bad. That was my bad. Got it.
I am here.
How long this map takes me. I might hop over just to and that'll literally take me like maybe 10 minutes, and I'll keep this string off up down my trigger. I'll have to probably get off at about 10 o'clock. Just like around 10:30. Should be it'll be a very long one tonight, but at least putting in some effort to try to get it going.
Target.
This me think.
The Zagroot is headed for the airway. We must catch up. I am detecting a hook shot ahead.
Welcome in. Hello, Natsu. Appreciate you stopping by. Welcome to Twitch. Sorry, I was going to say TikTok. That's not it. Twitch. Welcome.
Nanotech? Well, I'm in peak physical condition.
Everyone having a good day? You guys enjoy the stream? I don't know. I wouldn't say it's new, but I don't stream as much as I usually do, so. We'll get out here and try to do some Ratchet and Clank and stuff. Oh, alright. Thank you for letting me know. That's... That any better? Yes, yeah. Thank you for letting me know.
I'll teach you to assault my fair city. Come on, team. We're commandeering this taxi.
Right, it is. Thanks for letting me know. I was trying to figure that out earlier. Had a bit of
It looks like our heroes have commandeered an air taxi in order to catch up to the Zagroot. A bold move. Let's hope it ends in something that boosts our ratings.
This taxi's gravity coils appear to be operational. Perhaps shifting position will steer the vehicle.
This may be a bad time to mention this, but I haven't driven in a while.
How does he get them not to be
Here's an interesting fact. This is the 7th massive creature of destruction President Park has helped unleash on a major city since his inauguration.
Hey, your president's driving here! Oh boy, my office is gonna get some calls on this one.
I have located the Zagroot. We are almost there.
Oh, now we're running on miles.
Now that was a close one. This might be a good time to mention our sponsor, Proton Paul's Lunar...
Oh, is it still having issues with the mic? Is that any better? Okay. I'm gonna turn the game on real quick. Let me know.
Funeral home.
Is it better now? Can you hear me a little easier?
Spinning in your grave. Thanks to Proton Paul's Zero.
I'll just be the placement of the mic I need for it. Okay, no, I'm not trying to get it good. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so let's see. Put the mic right there instead. Hopefully you guys can hear me better. Appreciate you, Natsu. Hope you enjoyed the live. I don't know if you were hearing what I'm saying. It probably won't be very long tonight, just because I gotta do laundry, but at the same time, everything gets off at around 10 o'clock, 10:30 my time, so I want to make sure we have dinner going. But right now I'm actually on PS3, my dude. You got very...
This is an interesting development. It appears that strange, unidentified robots have teleported into city limits. I'm no expert, but they don't appear to belong to Dr. areas.
PS3 right now.
One can only surmise that these robots have chosen to take advantage of our distraction with the Zagroot and invade our city.
Time to crack open a galactic can of whoop-ass.
You don't mind? I mean, heck, you follow me and then I also have a TikTok, so Little Superman. Don't follow me on there, I appreciate you. All you guys can together play. I don't play online a lot, but some of these games I have that I might be able to do so.
Looks like our heroes found a weapon kiosk.
Greetings, citizens, and
Weapon
thank you for
kiosk,
taking part in
alright.
Friendship Through Firepower. Are you ready to get certified? Since this is just a recording, I'll assume you said yes.
This will come in handy.
Yeah, all that stuff are coming soon, so.
This automated training program will teach you how to use your new combustors. Start by unholstering your weapon.
Really?
Okay, safety precautions.
Dang, yeah, I don't know if that's... I think the PlayStation 3 servers are completely shut down where I wouldn't be able to do that with that. Dang. What's that?
Impressive shooting, citizens. You mastered the same technique I employed when I vanquished Dr. Nefarious. Sorry. Guess I'm having a hard time listening to myself. One thing that surprised me when I first became a hero was how much people don't enjoy getting shot. If your target refuses to stand still, try locking onto them with your weapon. If you're not me, chances are you'll need a...
Just because I don't know if there's any save points on this, I'm not sure if I should. Yeah, I'm worried if I quit this right now. I want my save points.
Distance from time to time. Try firing your combustors at once to deliver a supercharged blast of power. Congratulations, citizens. You are now certified to carry a weapon inside city limits. Thank you for your participation in the Race Through Firepower Initiative. Have a truly awesome day.
Ammunition acquired.
Nanotech. That's the...
The Zagroot has just been sighted making its way towards the Luminopolis power plant, and it looks like the unidentified robots are following. They must be here for the Zagroot.
Scout winging man. Love
Come out from under your desk.
I follow the truth wherever it leads, Pepper.
Looks like our heroes have acquired some new firepower. Do you think they'll be able to ambush the Zagroot?
If 3 marriages taught me anything, it's that deception and surprise are the key ingredients to any successful offensive.
The rest songs. Both bear power lets you break raise upon touch. Oh, cool.
Just what the technician ordered.
There we go. Bam.
This will come in handy.
Smell that? That's victory. At least I hope it's victory.
Excellent work, Captain. I mean, Mr. President. I am ready.
Yeah, one of the 4. You only have 2.
Let's roll.
Let's take this moment to check in with Born Garblack about the mysterious robots tracking the Zagroot. Minister Garblack, any ideas as to who owns these robots?
Our analysts are working on it, Pepper. It is quite possible that the Zagroot belongs to these robots, and that they've come to retrieve it. Until we learn more, I advise all citizens to remain in their homes!
Oh, thank you, Minister Garblack.
You must take cover, Captain.
Okay. Sounds good, Natsu. Have a good night. Thanks for joining my stream. Your support is much appreciated, and I hope to see you on the next live, which will probably be sometime this week, because I'm gonna be playing this on it. So appreciate your support, and look forward to seeing you again. Have the best pleasant dreams possible, and we'll talk to you around.
Greetings, oppressors. We've come to destroy you.
How convenient.
Good one, bad guy, 0.
My robotic friends, we do not wish to fight you. Perhaps I should acquire some nanotech.
You're welcome, little buddy.
Ammunition acquired. All systems are fully operational.
Sorry, I'm not very tired. I'm zoned in trying to get all this stuff on. Soon you guys stay on this. No, we gotta do that.
And the fight is on. The entire city watches with bated breath as perhaps the strangest team in Polaris history works to defeat the deadly light-eating Zagroot.
Just a reminder, tonight's battle to the death is brought to you by Big Ass RoboSack and Gaming Superstore, poking noobs for over a decade. I might be mistaken, but I believe destroying those generators would prevent the Zagroot from healing himself.
There's no room for speculation in this game, Pepper. And down he goes! The Zagroot has been defeated! I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this newsman hasn't seen anything like this in all his years in the industry.
And there has been a lot of them.
Our station patrols are still taking count, but it appears that we're looking at billions of volts worth of property damage.
A city in shambles,
No.
a galaxy in debt,
No.
and a lavish Meridian City retreat
I'm
forged
just
from
trying to get the
expensive...
bolts. I'm trying to get the bolts.
And down he goes! This recruit has been defeated! I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this newsman hasn't seen anything like this in all his years in the industry.
And there has been a lot of them.
Our station patrols are still taking count, but it appears that we're looking at billions of volts worth of property damage.
A city in shambles, a galaxy in debt, and a lavish Meridian City retreat forged from expensive raritanium. All this begs the question, has the galaxy had enough of Copernicus quark?
Wait! This fight may not be over! The Zagroot is back! And boy, does he look angry! I can barely watch, folks. The monster is breaking through everything in its path with bloodthirsty resolve. It's like watching some elderly cat lady on Black Friday as she claws her way mercilessly toward the last pair of self-cleaning stunderwear.
Our heroes may be in real trouble. The Zagroot does not seem to be giving up.
Time to bring in the heavy artillery.
It looks like the heroes are attempting to use the fusion turrets on top of Zog Tower.
Citizens will remember former Minister of Defense Artemis Zog had them installed in the event of an attack by Dr. Nefarious. How's that for irony?
I didn't see the red one there, my bad.
All systems are operational.
Continue to buy another weapon.
If your enemy refuses to come out from behind cover, try your hand at the plasma bomb launcher. This doohickey lobs grenades armed with unstable plasma.
For an added kick, try firing multiple plasma bombs at the same target.
Plasma bomb, alright.
This will come in handy. More enemies are on approach.
You're welcome, little buddy.
I think it's safe to say the Zagroot has found our protectors.
You must be more careful. This will come in handy. I may need to repair.
Things look grim for Clank. Let's hope he finds some nanotech soon.
This is hard to watch. I haven't seen President Quark take a beating like this since he challenged that 7-year-old to a spelling bee.
Oh, we got him. Oh, right there. Got him. Okay, is that it? That's it.
Stuff to kill stuff with.
Just what the technician ordered. I am ready.
I'm ready.
This group's taking a beating, but it's not ready to quit just yet. Let's hope it doesn't find another power source before our heroes can get their final licks in.
What's that, Harvey? Our station manager, Harvey, has just pointed out that a new luminoid generator has been installed on that building.
Well, that certainly complicates things.
You must take cover, Captain. Does anyone require help?
You're welcome, little buddy. You, enemy. You look like you could use a good spanking.
You have given us no choice.
This is it, folks. The culmination of a citywide pursuit between the heroes of Polaris and a light-eating group. Can they survive a battle to the death with one of the galaxy's most dangerous predators?
According to our office pool, the answer is no. They cannot.
Yeah! He's coming back! Help! Alright, so it's pretty premature, Johnny. There it is.
And the Zagroot is down for the count. Absolutely incredible. We'll be right back after this word from our sponsor.
Holy cow.
Not so fast, Nefarious. You've done some underhanded things in your time, but this beats all. I'm starting to think there may not even be an Intergalactic Tool of Justice award.
Ladies and gentlemen, your president.
That's not one of mine.
The hell? Ratchet and Clank all for one! Woo!
Disengaging primary cryo feed.
Clank, get the light, would you? Huh? Oh boy. Clank! Where are we?
I do not know. Have you located Quark?
Little help here? Someone? I think my thing is broken.
Oh, perfect. Can this get any worse?
Oh, Lance, kiss me, love me. Hold me like you used to before you became a flesh-eating zombie.
Quark, would you?
Huh?
You twit! You dare lay
Can you get us out of here?
Aye, aye, Lumbax.
Whoops.
We should go before she finds out you're here. Come on, head through the Sector 7 air vent, and we'll rendezvous on the south side. A galactic scout never leaves before her mission is complete.
Alright. 5. I am going to end the stream right here. It's been about an hour, so not terrible, and I know it was bad for tonight, but I'll end the stream, and then also my YouTube video. Just, can't figure out what I'm going to do for dinner, but I will hopefully, if not tomorrow morning, because I work tomorrow evening, I'm going to try on in the morning if I can get up and going, 'cause that's a whole other trick in itself right now. If not, I'll most likely try to get on after work sometime for a little bit, but we'll see, because I'm pretty much working a 6-day week at work. It's just back and forth depending on my energy, but for those who are watching on my stream right now, the second, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Shout out to Natsu205 for coming on here and just enjoying with me until they went to bed. Appreciate you. I didn't have a lot going on. A lot of people, which is okay. Just how it is. Slow going, but I appreciate everyone who does watch these with me watch my stream. And for those who follow me on YouTube, appreciate you guys. Please like, comment, share, all the fun stuff, and please, those who are willing to do it, go to my accounts, my links, my bios, and my TikTok link should be there. Please go follow me on that. I want to build a following. That way we can hopefully, instead of doing a Twitch and YouTube stream, it'd be a Twitch and TikTok stream, just so I can bring more people into this and make it fun, because I want to have fun with this, and it would be really cool to make it income worthy. I don't know if I'd ever become full content creator, just because it's rough. It sounds like it's a good job and a fantastic way of life. But I just don't know if it's I don't know how to explain that. I would love to do it if it became possible, but as of right now, it's a far goal. It's a long-term goal that I would love to have. So, and part of that is me actually getting on here and streaming more, which I understand that 100%. I'm not doing it once every month or two, which I need to get better on that. Life's just life, you know how it goes, and a lot of the time, like I said, I tried playing Resident Evil Requiem on my PS5. That was just not working out. I think I'm either going to try to get that fixed on my HDMI port, or I am going to hopefully get a think about going with PS5 Pro, but they're just so expensive, so it's hard. So I'm gonna see if I can find someone around or take it to Vegas at one time. I go to Vegas and get checked out, but we'll see. But I'll stop rambling on. Appreciate all of you guys. Please again go to my, all my links and follow my YouTube, my Twitch, my TikTok, just so we can grow this. We can have it on more platforms and have more people join in and enjoy the fun. I'm definitely an amateur at this, so you'll have to bear with me. But I'm trying, and I want to make this as fun as possible for everybody. So, again, I love you all. I appreciate you all, and I hope for those who watched tonight again on my live stream, I had a wonderful time doing so. For those who are watching this later on YouTube, I love you all. I appreciate you all, and I hope that this this little gameplay playthrough we do, you enjoy. All right, love you guys, and we'll catch you guys later on. Stay amazing, and we'll catch you around. See you guys.